In this video I will show you how to install a RAM with 2400 megahertz speed, 8 GB 2400 megahertz RAM on Acer Predator Helios 300 laptop. Acer Predator Helios 300 is a gaming laptop, so I just place the RAM on it and let's check whether it works successfully with Acer Predator Helios 300. Although by default the RAM speed is 3200 megahertz. So let's power it up. Just press the power button and since keyboard lights are on, display is coming, that means the RAM is working with the Predator laptop, which is good. And let's check the BIOS of the operating system, whether it is working perfectly. It takes time, so maybe it's going to load my operating system. It's loads my operating system. Let's restart it. Not interested to open the Ubuntu right now. And press and hold menu. Again it comes to Ubuntu boot menu. Again restart it. I think now I can choose the Windows. Okay, Windows is coming. Successfully loaded the Windows. Let's check the information of RAM, and we see total size of the memory is 8 GB. And if we go to the Tracks Manager, you can also check the bars speed from there. Let's Control Alt Delete, Tracks Manager, and check the bus speed of the RAM from here. And you see the bus speed is 2400 megahertz. Okay, let's check in BIOS whether it shows the bus speed 2400 or not. Restart and press the F button or point in the BIOS. Inside BIOS we can see that the installed memory is 8 GB and the frequency is 2400 DDR4. Thanks for watching, guys.